Hi, how are you? Are you having a good day? I'm doing fine. Let's get started with day 2 of your email course. Rule 2, a story from Angelina. My name is Angelina, and I'm a student from Paraguay. When I started learning with AJ, I couldn't speak any English. I had studied English grammar many years, but I couldn't speak. The first day with AJ's Effortless English, I thought I would study grammar. However, he surprised me because he never taught grammar rules. Instead, he told a story. He told it many times, in a strange way. He constantly asked questions, and I answered the questions. The questions were super easy. Honestly, I was a little confused. I thought he was kind of a crazy teacher. I thought I needed to learn more grammar. I continued with Effortless English, and then, after only 2 weeks, something amazing happened. My speaking improved. My friends asked me, "How are you improving so quickly?" I realized that AJ was quite clever, and the stories and questions and articles were teaching me to speak English without studying grammar rules. Wow! Angelina is a great student. She learned extra fast because she listened to Effortless English 5 hours a day. However, you can improve with just 1 hour a day. You can get the same results, but you must follow Rule 2. Rule 2. Don't study grammar. Angelina quickly improved speaking when she stopped studying grammar. This is your second rule. Stop studying grammar. Stop studying grammar. Right now. Stop. Put away your grammar books and textbooks. Grammar rules teach you to think about English. You want to speak automatically without thinking. With Effortless English, you learn English without grammar study. Your speaking improves quickly. You succeed. You speak English naturally. So rule 2 is, don't study grammar. The vital secret for English learning power. In the next email, I will discuss the most important rule for speaking English easily. Have a great day and continue to improve your English. Take care. AJ Hoge, www.effortlessenglishclub.com, Director, Effortless English. P.S. Ignacio Almandos wrote and said, "I've just successfully downloaded the A Kiss lesson set. Congratulations on your teaching program. I'm learning a lot through your lessons."